Hey, so when people say Google tricks and hacks, yeah, they're usually talking about hidden features, Easter eggs, and search shortcuts inside Google. In this guide, I'll show you the best Google tricks you can try in 2026. First, Google Gravity. Search it and open a demo page where everything falls like it has gravity. Next, type do a barrel roll. So, the entire screen spins once like a game animation. All right, search askew. I mean, your screen tilts slightly for a funny effect. Now try Google Sphere. Search results orbit around like a rotating globe. Next, use hidden calculator or conversions. So just type math or currency conversions in search. All right, typeset timer 10 minutes. I mean, Google becomes a quick timer tool instantly. And yeah, use search operators like quotes or minus signs for better results. So that's how you do Google tricks and hacks. These are fun Easter eggs and powerful search shortcuts you can use anytime.